What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about Buckmason. They're a brand that I've criminally overlooked over the last few months and years. And especially when it comes to casual wear, I love that sort of denim Americana sort of vibe. And when you pair it with their color palettes of like creams, browns, it's exactly what I kind of look for. But again, I've not had much hands-on experience with the items until today. Because the wonderful people over at Buckmason contacted me on Instagram and they said, pick out some pieces and we'll send them over to you. So I've got them here. I've not opened them yet, and I thought we'd do a little bit of an unboxing. So first of all, I thought I'd go through the thought process on how I chose the items. I wanted to, first of all, pick pieces that would go together as one outfit. So I should be able to wear these all together as one, as well as have them blend in with other items in my wardrobe. For instance, like something like this, or the jeans I've got on at the moment. I want to be able to pair each item with pieces of my wardrobe. That's the general kind of rule I try to fit in as much as possible. I chose 3 items. I want to get the names right for what I've got, so I've got them here. So I wanted to focus around one main piece. So that was either, when I think about Buckmason, it's suede jackets or it's denim. I didn't have the budget for a suede jacket, so I did go for these Japanese loom-stay selvage full saddle jeans, which essentially is a selvage pair of jeans with a high rise. And you guys know I love a high rise in my trousers and jeans, and I really wanted to try this out, so I'm pretty excited. The other real big bonus I found with their site when I ordered these was you can choose the length of your legs, so the inseam, and I've got pretty short legs, so that saves me hopefully a trip to the tailors to get them taken up. And you know, they're going to be done nicer if they're done in-house, so hopefully I've got that right. You get to choose by your inseam in inches. I think between 28 is the shortest, and the longest I can't say for sure, but they're pretty long. The next thing I went for was this golden rye cord camp shirt, which is like a really nice camp shirt with a really beautiful sort of like what they call golden rice. It's kind of like tobacco-y from memory. And then for a t-shirt, I went for a heather oat curved hem tee. For each item, so for the denim, I went for a 32 waist. For the camp collar overshirt, I went for a small. And then for the t-shirt, I went for a medium. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, this is the best I could do in terms of an interesting shot because the sun was way too bright to leave the curtains open, so I've got a light on it. Unfortunately, it's a bit too big of a box for me to put the camera facing downwards, so this angle is a bit weird, but I hope it is okay. First of all, lovely box, lovely presentation. I accidentally opened the knot, so I've tied this up myself. So anyone at Buckmason if they're picky about their knots, this was not whoever tied it, this was me, for the purpose of the video. Might need the knife for this. Can anyone actually tell me? I've got this, my brother bought me this knife. Can anyone tell me what that says? I think it's in Japanese kanji, maybe? Yeah, if you know, let me know in the comments. Hopefully it's not rude. The jeans. First of all, feel to them is really good. They're a really nice weight. There's a little warning about indigo running. And yeah, so first of all, yeah, feel is lovely. The nice Buckmason logo here. So actually the perfect kind of weight and stiffness for what I like. So yeah, looks to be a nice high rise. Look at that. So that's the full saddle. That's what I've ordered in terms of being a high rise. That's the back. I will try these on in a sec, so let's see a bit more. And as you can see, these have been hemmed in store, so nice. All right, the next one is this t-shirt. Remember, this has come from America, so it's been thrown around a fair bit. This is the, and this is really nice. What they call heather oat, I think it is. It's like a crewy kind of feel, but with the, as you see here, it's got a bit of texture to it as well. Super soft. So yeah, one thing that was really important to me was the neckline. It's just the right sort of height from what I could see. It's also not too rigid, so it's not uncomfortable, and I like a little bit of a, not low neckline, but a lowish neckline. It just makes me feel a bit comfortable when I wear it with other things. And this was the other thing I was pretty excited. So this was, oh, so this is the alterations. I was going to say I'm a short ass, I think, but that's pretty cool. I like the sort of like rustic nature of it. So this is a little corduroy number. First of all, the camp collar, which I'm a big fan of. So this is corduroy cord camp shirt, and again, very, very soft. I really love the colour of it. It's going to go well with both the pieces we've bought also, and with pretty much anything I wear. Like, you could wear this with that t-shirt or a navy t-shirt, white t-shirt underneath. It'll go so much. The logo, oh, see there? That's the logo, and then there's the wash tag. 100% cotton as well. So you see the pockets there, patch pockets. But yeah, so far very impressed, very excited, but let's try it on. Okay, so as you see here, I'll try and put in a full length somewhere, but final results, I'm very happy. Sorry I can't get a full length sort of thing. I'm kind of limited for space at the moment, but I'll see if I can put something here. You can see the full thing. But I've got paired it with some Our Legacy Cuban heels in brown suede, this Uniqlo leather woven belt, and that's it. I think it all goes together really well. Color wise, I mean, they're a perfect match. Most of the items on their website really work well together. They've all got browns, greens, creams, navies, some little different ones like this kind of mustard, but they blend really well together, so you can't really go too far wrong. The real show sealer though is these jeans. First of all, I mean, the rise is amazing. They're straight legs, they're perfect with boots. They're not too stiff and rigid, but also they've got a bit of heft to them as well. So I would really be interested to see how these look after I wash them. But yeah, I'm a huge fan of these. The t-shirt, very, very soft and perfect for wearing something underneath. I love the neckline. And then there's this corduroy overshirt thing, which is kind of like halfway between an overshirt and a jacket. Collar is I'm a big fan of. It's nicely cropped as well, so perfect with the high rise of the jeans, so they overlap each other just right in my opinion. Just to reiterate guys, this wasn't a paid endorsement. They did send me these as a gift, and to be honest, I wouldn't do this for a brand I didn't like, or with items that I didn't like. I just wouldn't do it. So this is just items that I like and I'm a fan of, and definitely looking to invest in a suede jacket I think next, but maybe we'll go through the website at some point soon on a future video. Check out archwoods.com for pre-owned menswear. We've got new pieces in store coming regularly. I also started a Substack as well, where I just send out links to items I find from other pre-owned sites or deals from other websites as well, so things like eBay, Depop, Grailed, and then Essence, and anywhere I can see sort of good deals, or if there's just like individual items I can find and curate that I don't have on the store, I'm sending them out in a newsletter. It's called The Guidance, so you can find that on the website as well, so archwoods.com. But yeah, please remember to like and subscribe on the way out, and I'll see you on the next one.